Welcome everybody. Today we will take some general knowledge about the COVID-19. First, we will discuss that what is the full forms of COVID-19. COVID, CO that stands for Corona, VI that stands for virus, and D that stands for disease. This means COVID stands for coronavirus disease, and this 19 stands for 2019 because this COVID-19 was discovered in 2019. Due to this, here 19%. Okay. After that, I want to tell you that this corona word that is formed from the corona. Corona is a Latin word that is formed from coronum, and coronum means crown, and crown that is a spike-like appearance. This means appearance of crown is a spike-like appearance. Okay, and this is spike protein. In the reality, this spike protein is responsible for disease. A spike protein that is responsible for disease. But how? In our body, ACE type 2 receptor protein present. ACE that stands for angiotensin converting enzyme 2. Angiotensin converting enzyme type 2 surface protein that is present in host cell. This means that is present in our body. Okay. ACE type 2 receptor is present in our body. Angiotensin converting enzyme type 2 surface is present in our body, and this spike protein is attached on ACE2 from the surface of the enzymes of ACE2, angiotensin converting enzyme type 2. Okay, but after the attachment of a spike protein from ACE type 2 surface protein, they goes in other organs. But matter is this, that where and in which place this virus attack. So where this enzymes, this surface protein is present, at that place spike proteins attack of COVID-19. Okay, so where ACE type 2 surface protein in host body, in our body, so this is present in our respiratory tract, in lungs, also in excretory system like kidney, and also in the heart, cardiovascular organs. In the heart, in cardiovascular organs. Okay. Next, that is present in nervous system. That is present in the neurons. Okay, in the brain, a neuron is present, and at the neuron surface, this ACE, angiotensin converting enzyme type 2 surface protein, is present in also in testes of male reproductive system in testes. Okay, so this area is affected from this organ is affected from this COVID-19. Okay, can affect this surface area, this organ, but most of the organ, in the most cases we see that respiratory, we are affecting from the respiratory tract. Okay, about this completely and also by the figures and good way, we will take the knowledge in the next classes. But today I want to tell you that COVID-19, its a causal agent is SARS-CoV-2. Okay, from the SARS word, we are familiar. This means we know good way. And many times we have listened about the SARS, that this SARS stands for several acute respiratory syndrome. And this CoV for the coronavirus. And this is the type 2. This means SARS coronavirus type 2. Okay, this means this COVID-19 causal agent is SARS-CoV-2. And also classification of this COVID-19, this means order of this COVID-19 is nidovirus. Order of this COVID-19 is nidovirus. And also family of COVID-19 is coronaviridae. Okay, coronaviridae. Subfamily of this COVID-19 is orthocoronavirina. And genus that is alpha CoV, beta CoV, delta CoV, gamma CoV. And you know good way that this CoV, that stands for coronavirus. Okay, and this alpha CoV, beta CoV, delta CoV, gamma CoV, and in that this all is a genus. In that beta CoV is of 3 types, that is the SARS-CoV, MERS-CoV, and SARS-CoV type 2. This SARS-CoV that is discovered in 2002, MERS-CoV that is discovered in 2012, but this time we are affecting from this means causal agent of this COVID-19 is SARS-CoV type 2. SARS-CoV type 2 that is discovered in 2019. And today we are most of the people affected from this, not most of all of the people is affecting from the coronavirus. This means this time we are affected from the COVID-19. That genus is SARS-CoV type 2. SARS-CoV type 2. So this is the general knowledge about the COVID-19. In the next classes, we will take the completely about from the figures about ACE, angiotensin converting enzyme surface, and how that spike proteins that take in our organs, in our body, in host cells, How that takes entry, we will discuss in the next classes. But if you are a student of medical science, if you give the next PMT of 2020, then you should remember the full forms of ACE, angiotensin converting enzyme. Okay?